Hello YouTube land. I'm here herding once again. It's gonna be the last few minutes of my herding time. Here at the back, William just finished mowing at the fruit area, and I'm doing this thing. We used this for our games back when I was a kid, and no, kids don't use it anymore nowadays. But yeah, these are our toys back then. And in many places also they do this to wrap up rice for 5 pesos. In Cebu, I think there's still a lot things like this. Me personally, I use this for games, but like right now it's just like testing if I can still do it. It's been a long time, guys, since my last vlog with my iPhone. Yeah, and thanks to Scott, he helped me figure out my issue with my phone. Yeah, so I don't need to buy a new phone. Yay, how good is that? So like for my old videos that were of very bad quality, hello, big shout out Chris Bartlett. I have bad audios, bad videos, like bad how you call, the resolution is not very nice because I'm using another brand of phone. But now my iPhone is back into business. It's not right, it should be square. Yeah, like I ran out of memory kind of. That's why I wasn't able to vlog with good audio that only iPhone can do. I don't know, guys, like with other phones I'm not very happy with the resolution, with the how you call, the stability. I'm only okay is with iPhone. So let's see if I can start like in this, guys. I get to a point where I just like, like do like this to lock it up. Ta-dang! Yes, yes, yes. And this, once this is locked, not anymore kind of braid, then I'm okay-ish. My goats have happy tummies now by the looks. So I'll be getting them back very soon. I'll just finish this thing and let them graze a little longer. Yeah. Like usually they kind of take a break. Ooh. This is not right, guys. This is not freaking right. Yeah. I missed one. I missed one. Ugh. Yeah. So now one more. One more to lock. One more to lock. And I'm alright. Finish? Yeah. We use this for a game called Labu Labu. Who played that one among my Filipino viewers? We call this Labu Labu. This is one of our national, like authentic Filipino game. I think authentic. Yeah. Like this. They use this for like you can actually create many shapes for this thing, but like it's kind of braiding, like hair braiding. You would usually require, or the basic hair braiding, you would usually require 3 bunch. Hello, handsome chicken. 3 bunch of hair. With this one, it's 4. So like it's 2 leaves, and then we remove the hard middle part. Hello, Polly. They're let out already. Hello, say hi, everyone. Come. Nothing. It's just cricket. She's smelling cricket. There comes cricket running. I won't let cricket go near Polly or Sam or little boy Stubbs, because he doesn't have any. Polly, daddy calling. He doesn't have any protection, immunization, vaccine, whatever. So it's kind of difficult, really. Like we've learned our lessons the hard way. Like when Sasha was a kid, I left her with mama's care, under mama's care in the other house. So she is exposed to, or like mama's dogs are exposed to her, and she has complete vaccines. Well, mama's dogs don't have. So like they got all the parvo and all, and one died. Our first Sam dog died. Yeah, because of that exposure to vaccinated dogs. So like right now, I don't want that to happen to Cricket. He's actually needing some supplements. Like right now, he has very pale tongue. He needs some iron supplement. Yeah, I don't like it scares me to look at him, like, you know, so pale. And yesterday I dewormed him, so hopefully in the coming days he would have like how do you call, shiny, I mean, even not shiny, but at least like it would look like a normal coat. Because at the moment, guys, it's so dry. So dry. I don't like looking at him like with that super dry coat of his. My goats are all shiny. My dogs are shiny. And Cricket is not. So got scared of Polly and ran off again. Not sure if my audio is right, guys, or like I'm gonna adjust my audio later. Tonya, I guess Tonyo's horn is itchy. He keeps scratching his horn in the fences, the wire fences. Right now, guys, I haven't done my assignment yet of the breeding program for Tonyo. What I've done is the breeding program for this year. I think I've done. Not really sure, but yeah, for this year's stud, we have Tonyo, which is like a trial actually for line breeding. Hopefully it will bear, hopefully the trial will give us some positive results of keeping the Anglo-Nubian feature, which is as you know, like Anglo-Nubian is known for their quality of milk. I want to mention, guys, the eagles We're here. There are baby eagles earlier. Two baby eagles. And they were crying. Maybe they just kind of get out from their nest and looking for their mama. It's the same sound as before when they were hatched here and the harvester damaged their nest, and like they are kind of forced to fly somewhere, and one, like there were three babies, one moved there and the two one moved in the east side of the farm and two moved in the north side. So yeah, we can't really do anything about it. At least we don't kill them. But like right now, the babies are around our area again. The other day, we saw one bald eagle who flew so low here, but we don't know where it went. But on that south side of our farm, outside our farm, going south. So maybe their mama is there, but like today, there's no papa, there's no mama, just the babies that are crying looking for their mama maybe, or like they're just left in the wild now. So wildlife, guys. It's wildlife. So this is now the ball, not the rice wrap. Like how do you call them? Like times like this back in my younger days, this is also the wrap for suman, but I don't know how to use it or how to make it, but they make it like longer, like in the shape of a suman that you see nowadays, but like they kind of weave it or braid it like how I did, like, you know. I think I'll attach, I will attach some photos here of what I'm talking about. But I believe you see this, like, you know, we are promote when sa our areas, each municipality has an area that promotes our like national, our local delicacies and all. Ubod, I think it's called ubod, and some calls it suman. Yeah, it's like sticky rice. And some, like in Cebu, I remember we go to the night market and all, they hang this with a kind of a sticks, how you call it, there's a stick sticking out, and like 5 pesos. That's good for diet. Just, you know, super measured like this, like half a cup. Yes, it's good. And my goats went back to eating. It's past 4 and they still went back to eating, so it's good. Don't have to feed them tonight. No, Rico! No! Yes. This for our games. It's not painful. Like we just chase each other and like throw this to whoever wanna throw, and like if you get caught by the ball, then you are out of the game. It's like that, so you miss the fun. Or half of the fun, kinda. Yeah. So it's almost closing time here in the farm. Oh, I wish I could take a slow-mo on those birds, guys. So nice looking. So nice looking. We missed the, like for I think almost a year now, we don't have the white birds that usually hangs around with my goats. And nowadays also they don't put the people, the neighborhood, some neighbors don't put their buffaloes here anymore, so I'm not sure if they are kind of advised not to put their because what happened was there's a lot of big holes here in the real estate property, that like it's like on some lots that were bought already. And when they kind of ask us if we can do some mowing jobs here, it's kind of difficult to say yes because of those holes. Like we can only do if like they clear the area, like a basic clearing, so that we know what else has to be done for their lots, or for their for their lots. Like some have still the pilapil. I'm not sure what's pilapil in English, guys. It's like rice fields have boxes, and what divides it is called pilapil. I don't know what to call it, but it's called pilapil in our language. Yeah, it's like the partitioning of the boxes, especially if like this is in different elevations, like that there different elevation, and here because it's on another elevation there. So like they put pilapil so that the it's part of also of their water control or the irrigation here, when they still, like the old owner is still doing the the rice plantings here, because this used to be a rice field. Yeah, where I'm sitting right now, this is the pumpkin area. And this area here used to be vegetable area, like the aubergines and lemongrass and ladyfingers, or okra as we call it. Yeah, so oh my god, my boy is chasing the girl. Oh, toink. He should go to the pot then. Kuya, look at him. Ahead of you, so much ahead of you. Yes, guys, I talk to my chickens like they can understand me. Oh yeah, go home now. Daddy's feeding. I think he understood. Oh, see, guys. So yeah, I talk to them most of the time. And lately we are doing some milking also with Rico, because when Buddy was taken out of our farm, like we rehomed him, he moved to the Davao de Oro area, and there's so much milk that Kelly cannot finish, so we had to milk Rico. Today I'm gonna check again, because usually it gets accumulated by the end of the day, so we milk in the afternoon, like evening time. Yeah, and morning, like, because like the kids starve, early in the morning, so Kelly gets the milk. Kelly is the youngest anyway, so. Oh, there's the eagle, guys, so close. Ooh, that's it. It's young. I'm not sure if it's a male or female. It's young. It's still brownish. It doesn't have the white head yet, because it's gonna go white. I think I have an old video of that. It's gonna go white as it gets old. Like it would like really, the baldness would show when it gets older. That's the same eagle that passed by here the other day. It's a bald eagle that flies so low, flew so low. You go home now. Don't harass the girls. Yeah, it's starting to harass the girl. Yeah, you go home. Daddy's feeding. Not listening. Oh, the native, the wild chicken is also humping my reds. The Rhode Island red girls. Looks like I have many more eggs to collect. Yeah, sometimes I get to collect like 13 eggs. Oh, they got fish. The locals got fish, guys. Those guys, I'm not sure if you can see. They were able to get fish from the creek. It's a big fish, bigger than his arm. Good. Good on him. Wow, that's huge. Wow. It's more than a foot, guys. I wish, I wish, I wish. Yeah, like when the barangay, when the barangay was initiated a cleanup in the creeks, in the creek area, they also had plenty of fish. They took out from the muddy sides of our creek. They're so good at that. So like our creek here have seashells, edible seashells, and fish, mudfish. I think that's called mudfish. Pantat in our language. Yeah, they live like during drought time. A lot of fish like lives here in this bamboo area because this is the only part of the long creek from there to here. It's the only part that is left with water every drought time. Yeah, so it's good that like some it's like their population is being reserved here in our farm. Yes guys, this farm is still for sale. Whoever is interested, just message me. Here's the white bird. I love this time of the day where I can watch bird and like I hear them like talk to each other. So many birds. I'm not sure like there's more than 10 types of birds that come here in our farm. Yeah, but my favorite are the how you call the Java, or how you call that, what William calls them, the Japanese sparrows, with a pink beak, and the bluebirds. I love them. The eagles, I love them. I don't like the crows, but they come here very often. And there's one bird I hate here. It cries like it's getting raped. I don't like it, like it's hurt, it's attacked, like, and every day when it's here, it cries at this time of day. I don't know why they create a sound like that, but like it's just too annoying, guys. Yeah, but I don't want to share that anymore. Next topic. Yeah, so we are far from harvest. I'm planning to do the harvest first or second week of December. I mean the coconut harvest. Usually December price, the buying price in December is so low until January. It's like it's like that they're gonna ask your coconuts because there's oversupply of coconuts everywhere. So I don't know if we're, but like just to break even at least, so the tops of the coconuts will be cleaned and be packed with snakes, the hanlulukais. Yeah, we have so many hanlulukais here. I don't know how you call it, but it's red with white diamonds on its back. Part of it is green skin, blue. It's a very colorful snake that flies from one coconut to another. And I kind of not like it. It scares me. Because a snake is a snake. Even if it's like eating geckos, still a snake and it can attack me. Yeah. I hear their voices sometimes, like living here, staying here every afternoon makes it like really familiar, their noises. They're like little birds. They sound like little birds that got stepped on or like pinched, you know? Yeah, it's like that. So I'm very careful when I hear a sound of like little birds or little chickens or little turkeys, because they can be snakes. For a couple of times it happened. Yeah. My goats, I'm showing you my goats. So the first one to deliver in the next kidding season, I think, will be Melly. And we're thinking she's gonna have triplets because it's so big. She's so big. And I think this time Jane will have twins. Look at her size, guys. Last time we're kind of so hesitant if she's pregnant or just fat. Well, she just had Perdita back then, just one, so it's not really, her belly was not really so big. And this time it's big, and the you know, the belly button area is kind of low. So we are hoping she'll have twins. Enrico, for the fourth time, now that she's pregnant, she has a small belly. I think she's still on the early stage of her pregnancy with Antonio. Yeah, so it's I'm not really so in a hurry to have babies from her, because she's the last one. Like while the others gave birth in April, in June, she gave birth April and May. Rico gave birth in June. So makes it makes Kelly and Buddy 4 months old still. So yeah. And Perdita and Joy are turning 6 months old 2 weeks from now. So hopefully in December they're gonna start mating with Antonio, and by then we can expect babies when they turn a year old next year. So it's good. Yeah, they're still small-ish. Especially Joy, who eats so much, like Melly. I'm not really kind of worried about the size of Joy, even if she's small, because Melly also, when she was less than a year old, she was so small. She's smallest back then. But when she, you know, like her growth is just like so steady, but when she reached a year old, like her size is like the typical molly size, huge. Yeah, big, big. She is already 5 years old. Melly girl, the oldest here in the farm. Yeah, so we'll see. Then in December, Melly and Jane will give us babies. Still have more than a month to go for that. This is it for now, guys. I'm gonna be closing. I'm gonna be getting them in, and we'll close them for the day. Thanks for watching. This has been One Pinoy Chick Chats. Thank you for joining me. Bye. Bye, mamas. Bye, Ton. Whoop! Whoop! Up! Up! Come on! Hello, Kelly girl. Joy. Perdita. Big bellies already. Hello, big mama. You big mama. Cannot run anymore. My God. Look at that belly. So full. Cannot run anymore. Alright, guys. It's closing time.